So we are no longer relying on, what is that thing? Newsroom. We are no longer relying on news toilet to see the news. We now have our own cameras. So EFF Communication, mark them, especially news toilet, mark it, because it likes reporting nonsense about the EFF. They call a leader of the ANC Youth League to come and analyze the EFF. This person on his social media, he's got a business card that says he's an NYTT of the ANC Youth League. They call him and say he's an independent analyst. Newsroom, they do that. When you challenge them that this is toilet, it's no longer news, they say, no, the EFF is threatening the media. We take out all the pictures, the posts, and the business card of the so-called independent analyst. Till today, they've not apologized. That they called a politician masquerading as independent analyst to come and insult the EFF. When we challenge them, they say, we are challenging the media. We are not challenging the media. We are challenging people who are biased and who don't give the EFF the right of reply. When you call the ANC, tell the nation that you are calling the ANC to analyze the EFF. Next time, also call the EFF to analyze the ANC. It's only fair. Why are you hiding it? So members of the media who are reporting truthfully, Shem, don't be affected by what I'm saying. You know it's not directed to you. But if you feel like it's directed to you, hey, I mean you. If you are right, don't doubt. I'm referring it to you. But if you don't feel anything, then you know you are safe, Shem. You know you are reporting safe. Mara, the shoe. If the shoe fits, you must wear it, especially when